welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this beautiful makeup look on my client. I hope you enjoy. First thing first, I'm starting with a MAC Fix Plus and spraying it all over for hydration and primer. And moving on to the foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade 320G. Blending it all over using a damped beauty blender. With the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo in number 3, applying it under the eye, bridge of the nose, forehead, and also under the cheekbones. Don't forget the Cupid's bow. And to add more hydration to the skin, I added Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. And I'm contouring with Soleil Tan de Chanel and applying it on the cheekbones, the jawline, and the forehead. Going in with the damped beauty blender and blending everything together. Now to set everything up, I'm using Makeup Revolution banana powder and applying it to all the areas that I concealed. While we bake under the eye and all over the face, we're going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade to fill in the brows in soft brown. And now we dust off all the excess powder on the face. Going in with MAC Cosmetics bronzer in medium tan to bronze the face. For the eyes, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam, starting with Tempera all over the eyelid. To add a little bit more depth into the eye, I'm going in with Burnt Orange on the outer V. To make it more darker, I'm going in with Sienna on top of Burnt Orange to give it more smoky look. And now to make her eyes pop more, I'm using Glistening and Fairy, mixing them both and applying them on the inner side of the eye. For lashes, I'm going to go in with Ardell Double Wispies using Duo Glue and applying it straight to the lash line to give it that natural, beautiful lashes. For blush today, I'm using I Will Always Love You and Justify My Love blushes from the Power of Makeup palette by Nikki Tutorials. And on to highlighting, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Emery-Z highlighter and also mixing it with Dose of Colors I Love Sarai Sol Matte highlighter.